October the 11th, 2018. This is 4th period, and we're going to be learning about slope today. Alright, so rate of change and slope are the same thing. Rate of change is usually what we see in a word problem. So in our homework last night, where it said the rate that the whale was ascending or descending or whatever, that means rate of change, which is the same thing as slope. So rate of change is a ratio that shows how one variable changes with respect to another. A good example is miles per hour. That's two variables, miles and hours, and together they make rate, which is usually called velocity, right? Or speed, miles per hour. Now in a graph, on a linear graph, this is called the slope. Next part, slope is written as a ratio, and just so you know, a ratio is a fraction of the vertical change, which is going to be called the rise. And a vertical change, if you remember, that'll be including our y-axis, because that's our y-axis is our vertical, right? So that's going to be the y-axis, and sometimes it'll be called change in y. So they use this little triangle looking thing. It's a Greek letter that represents the change. So change in y, or rise. And then the horizontal is run. So that's left to right. That's going to be change in x. Between any 2 points on the line. Okay. This remains constant for any 2 points on the same line, and that's if it's a linear line or a straight line. There's no reason why it's going to change. It'll always be the same slope no matter where you start on the line. Slope is written as a fraction in simplest form. So if you have 4 over 2, well, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you would just put 2. And then the variable that represents slope is m. I don't know if you noticed, there's already some posters in the front of the room. At the very top, slope, and it says rise over run equals m. M represents slope. Types of slope. You always read from left to right. When you read a graph or a line. So if it's going from left to right, going up, it's positive. Going down, negative. If it is a horizontal line, then the slope is going to be 0. If it is a vertical line, the slope is not called vertical, the slope is undefined, okay? So horizontal line, the slope is 0. Vertical line, the slope is undefined. And we'll talk more about this right now. This is the one that most people mix up, okay? So watch out for that. Alright, so over here it says m equals, remember m represents slope, so put m equals rise over run. Let's look at the first example. From one point to the next, in this handout they actually put the points for us, but if they don't put the points, then we're going to have to look and see where it crosses right at a coordinate point. Right at a coordinate